Good afternoon, I'm Clara and you're watching ITBC Now. Today we'll be talking about Valor token that's recently listed on the exchanges. I think a lot of people will recognize our guest today if you're subscribing our channel. Please welcome Feldmeier.
Thank you, Clara. Hello, it's nice being here again in Korea and looking forward to having another session with you and telling you a bit more about what's currently going on.
Okay, so today I would like to have a discussion about cryptocurrency market since there are many positive news on the crypto this week and rapid Bitcoin rally is cheering crypto market investor. So how do you see the market today?
If we look at the fundamentals and the long-term outlook, we see, we are coming now, hopefully we are coming now out of this crypto winter. People are now talking about the crypto spring. And this is to a large extent also driven by institutional uptake into the space. So last year, beginning of this year, we saw many institutional players maneuvering into a position where they are offering services using blockchain technology or where they are themselves investing in cryptocurrencies, in blockchain technology, where they are providing custody services, where they are thinking about launching ETFs, derivatives on cryptocurrencies, and so on.
So in your opinion, how would this affect Valor token and what is the expected price of Valor token maybe at the end of this year?
Look, with the Valor token, there are two ways you can really participate, or we as token holders can really participate in the value appreciation.
Okay.
On the one side, it's the cryptocurrency market. Because SMART VALOR, we are an exchange, a security token exchange, but we also give people access to cryptocurrencies.
Yes.
So for us, it's really combining securities with cryptocurrencies. So we benefit when there's a recovery in the cryptocurrency market. That's one thing. But at the same time, the big value add that we can provide, it's on the side of security tokens. And with the maturing of the industry, we see that there is such an interest and inflow into the security token space that within a very short time frame, the security token space will by far outweigh the cryptocurrency market capitalization.
I see.
And the Valor token, it's the native currency of our security token exchange. So just like with an exchange token like the Binance coin or Huobi coin, you can participate in the cryptocurrency market. With the Valor token, you can participate in the cryptocurrency market, but even more in the bigger security token market.
I see. Is there anything you would like to say to the investors who are holding SMART VALOR token?
Well, firstly, thank you very much for your trust and support. This is very much appreciated. We are in the process of expanding globally. So we are based in Switzerland and our home market is Switzerland and the European Union, but we are now expanding globally. There is a very active demand from, let's say, very tech-oriented communities. That's also a reason for us of getting deeper and deeper engaged into the Korean market. And it shows to us the trust we are getting, the visibility we are getting, the traction we are getting and on a global level. And that is why I want to thank token holders for. Another thing, we are super excited about the space we are in, and in the very near-term future, this will overtake what's today happening in the cryptocurrency market. So like I said in the beginning, also to token holders, you have to decide. You can trade daily swings and movements, and there are great announcements coming up. Things are happening, so you can really use, let's say, short-term movements. but you also have to look for the long-term
Right.
potential, or let's say mid to long-term potential of a few months out. We will launch this year our security token exchange, already going to be live in the cryptocurrency market, but the real catalyst will be the go live of the security trading platform. And so anybody who is interested in taking, let's say, a longer term outlook, a few months outlook, I think this is where the real value will come into once we launch this exchange.
Yeah. And I heard you have a meetup tonight. What is the purpose of the meetup this time?
Purpose of this meetup. So there are some great news coming up.
Another great news. Every time I go to the meetup, I hear a really nice news. Excited.
We had this let's say lottery. We're engaging our community on Kakao of say some nice things about Smart Valor and why you're interested in the project. And there was one guy, he won a ticket to go to Consensus. So as we speak, he's there, and I think he did a video or photos together with Olga and followed with her.
How exciting.
So today, and this is currently happening also in New York, where our CEO, Olga Feldmeier, she has been a few times with you as well.
Yes, I did.
Probably you, the audience is also, you know her already. She's currently in New York at Consensus, speaking on different stages, and she will make an announcement about we are now opening up our platform to the public for testing.
I see.
So it's we launched our primary market platform already last year, and we are now ready to launch the digital asset exchange itself. But before we put it live in production, we now invite the community to sign up onto the platform and participate in the testing. And also we are super excited about announcing partnerships we have established. With a player that many of you probably know very well, SBCN. So we are super excited. It's a great fintech company based in Seoul, Korea. They're working on big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain technology, are engaged in the media space. And there are very many synergies we see where we can participate together and contribute to the markets in Korea, in Asia as such, but also where we can work on with regards to the European markets.
Well, thank you for your time today, and please come back with Olga. It'll be really nice to have you and Olga at the same time next time.
That's an interesting one. We try to make that one happen, Clara. Thank you very much for having us. Thank you for listening to us.
Today I had an interview with Oliver Feldmeier from SMART VALOR.
Goodbye.
Bye.